Hi guys. Okay, so for given values a and b, consider an ellipse with equation this and a hyperbola with equation this. The ellipse's focus 0, 6 and area given by pi ab of k pi. The hyperbola has a focus of 2 root 15, 0, 2 times root 15 comma 0, and an asymptote that passes through the point 10p. Find k plus p squared. Okay, so what we're looking for is AB plus P squared. How do we find this? So, if an ellipse has focus x is 0, y is 6, that means that it's going to look like something like this. If I can actually make an ellipse. It's going to look like this, almost. It's going to have its major axis on the y and its minor axis on the x. So it's going to have okay guys, honestly, I don't know a lot about conic equations, and I'm just gonna look up how to use the focus in the equation because I don't know how to do that, and I'm gonna be here forever trying to derive that, so I'm just gonna look up ellipse focus equation. This is on my phone. So, the perimeter, I think you can't find the perimeter of an ellipse. Ellipse foci of an ellipse. The focus is h plus or minus c over comma k. K is 0, h is 0, so it's just going to be plus or minus c. C we know is equal to 6. And then c is this equation, c squared is equal to a squared minus b squared, which is 6 squared 36 is equal to a squared minus b squared. It's really just the absolute value of a squared minus b squared for us. But we can get rid of the absolute value if we know which one is larger. If we have let's say we have 2x squared plus y squared. That means 2x squared plus y squared. So x squared is smaller. So 2x squared, you'd have 1/2 in the bottom. So we know that b squared is larger. B squared is larger. So 36 is actually equal for us to b squared minus a squared. Okay. So we were given that equation, but we can't really do much with that. I'd imagine that there are many ellipses that pass through the points. Maybe not. Yeah, there are, of course, because b squared and a squared can be anything as long as they're 1 squared, their difference is 36. Okay. Hyperbola now. Hyperbola. I'll be right back. I'm back. So for the hyperbola, we'll have something like this. The focus is at 2 root 15, 0. So it's going to be like here-ish. So that means that we're going to have like another focus here, and then dot 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 here. So the asymptote, oh, the asymptote is this. Okay. Okay, so it doesn't matter. P, there has two asymptotes, of course. P is negative in 1, and its square is just going to be the same. So, focus in this is, focus is just going to be plus or minus C0. This is C2, I guess, where C is A squared plus B squared, which is the bottom things. A squared plus B squared. So C squared is equal to A squared plus B squared. So 2 root 15 squared is 4 times 15 is 60, is equal to A squared plus B squared. Hey, maybe I could use this. A squared plus 36 is equal to B squared. Put this in here, 60 is equal to 2A squared plus 36. Subtract from both sides, we get 24, or no, 424 is equal to 2A squared. Root 12 is equal to A, or 3 root 2 is equal to A. Three root 2 is equal to A, so that means 12 plus 36 is equal to B squared, which is 48 is equal to B squared. So square root of 48 is 6 square root of 16 times 3 is just going to be 4 root 3 is equal to, this is not 3 root 2, this is 2 root 3, is equal to B. A times B is going to be 2 times root 3 times 4 times root 3. It's going to be 8 times 3 is going to be 24 plus. Okay, now we're on the home stretch. Now we just need to find the slope of the asymptote. Asymptote, I'm also looking this up. If it opens left and right, then the equation is, oh, it's just B over A. Plus or minus B over A. So y is equal to plus or minus B over AX. So P is equal to plus or minus B is 4, it's plus or minus 2 times 10. So P is equal to 20. So we have 20 squared. So we have 424. Hopefully I didn't mess anything up. So I did get that correct with heavy help for formulas from my phone. But of course, whenever I'm actually going to do this on my own, I'll memorize the formulas. But I'm not going to have to do the competition soon, so I have time to memorize this. It's just if I didn't look it up on my phone, I just would never have gotten it. But I did. I'm gonna put a little hex. I'm gonna put a little snowflake here to indicate that I was cheating. That's my little cheating indicator. But cool. Thank you guys for watching. I will see you guys tomorrow. Goodbye.